Hello everyone, welcome to solve this nice math Olympiad algebra problem. So here we have, this is nice exponential equation 3 to the power of x minus 2 to the power of x equals to 65, and we solve this problem for all the integer values of x. So first we rewrite this equation as we multiply and divide the exponents of both of these two terms by 2, and it will becomes 3 to the power of x, and its whole exponent is 2 by 2 minus this will becomes 2 to the power of x, and its whole exponent is 2 by 2 equals to 65. And now here we move the exponent 1 over 2 inside the term, and it will becomes 3 to the power of x by 2 and its whole square minus. In the same pattern we again move 1 over 2 inside the term, and it will becomes 2 to the power of x over 2 and its whole square equals to 65. So here we make little bit substitution, and we convert this exponential equation into the simple polynomial form of two variables, so that we just take here a is equals to 3 to the power of x over 2, and we take b is equals to 2 to the power of x over 2. So we substitute both of these two values to the above equation, and our above equation is written as in this form. So we have this will becomes a square minus b square equals to 65. And here you see that the left hand side becomes very famous algebraic formula. This will be written as a minus b times of a plus b is equals to 65. And now here you see that in the left hand side we have two factors are multiplied by each other, but in the right hand side we have only one factor. So we need to find any two positive integers whose product becomes 65. So here we have the first possibility is 1 times of 65 equals to 65, and 65 times of 1 is also equals to 65, and 13 times of 5 equals to 65, and 5 times of 13 is also equals to 65. So we have, these are the four possibilities in which the product of two positive integers becomes here 65. But here if we make the relation between a minus b and a plus b, and we know that a minus b factor is always less than or equals to a plus b. So here we choose those possibilities in which the first number is less than the second number. So here you see that, so you see that 1 is less than 65, we accepted this case, and here you see that 65 is greater than 1. It means that the first factor is greater than the second factor. We rejected this case because we need those factors in which the first number is less than the second number. Okay, so here you see that 13 is greater than 5. We rejected this case. From here 5 is less than 13. We accept this case. So we have, these are the two possibilities in which we get the product of two numbers become 65. So we divide this equation into the two cases. The first case is we compare the factors a minus b and a plus b with 1 and 5, and we get a minus b equals to 1 and a plus b is equals to 65. And here we write the second case, and in the second case we compare a minus b and a plus b with 5 and 13, and we write it as a minus b equals to 5 and a plus b is equals to 13. So here we just denote this by equation number 1, and we denote this is equation number 2, and this is equation number 3, and this is our equation number 4. So you just remember one thing is that we solve this problem for only integer values of x and y. So now here first we find the values of a and b, and for this we sum up equation number 1 and equation number 2. When we add both of these two equations, we get a plus a becomes 2a equals to, this is negative b positive b are cancelled out by each other. 1 plus 65 becomes 66. And now we divide both of the sides by 2. These 2 and 2 are gone, and we get here a is equals to, this is 2 times 33 becomes 66. So we get the value of a is equals to 33. And if we back substitute the value of a, we have 3 to the power of x over 2. So when you put this value here, it will becomes 3 to the power of x over 2 equals to 33. So from this case, we cannot gives us the integer solution. Okay, so here we just write that not gives integer solution. So this case not gives the integer solution, so that we rejected this case because we just solved this problem for only integer values of x and y, or integer values of x only. Okay, so if a and b are not integer, this cannot be gives us the integer value of x. So if a is 33, it cannot be gives us integer solution. In the same pattern, the value of b is also not gives us the integer value, so that we rejected this complete case. And now here we proceed the second case only. So in this case we sum up again both of these two equations, and we get a plus a equals to 2a, and this negative and positive b are gone, and 5 plus 13 becomes here 18. And now we divide both of the sides by 2, and we get this 2 and 2 are gone, and here we get a is equals to, this is 2 times 9 becomes here 18. So here we easily get the value of a is equals to 9. And now further in the next step, we use this value of a into the equation number 3, and we easily get the value of b. So when we put this value in equation number 3, we get here 9 minus b is equals to 5. And for the values of b, we move minus b to the right hand side, and we move 5 to the left hand side, and we get 9 minus 5 is equals to b. So 9 minus 5 becomes 4 equals to b. So this is the value of b which we get here in this method. And now here we copy down the values of a and b. The value of a is equals to 9, and the value of b is equals to 4. You see that both of the values of a and b are integers. So now we move backward and we substitute the values of a and b here, and we get the values of x. So the value of a is 3 to the power of x over 2 is equals to 9, and the value of b is 2 to the power of x over 2 is equals to 4. So here we rewrite this equation as 3 to the power of x over 2 equals to, this is 9, we write it as 3 square. And here you see that the bases on both of the sides are same, so we equate its exponents, and we get x over 2 is equals to 2. And now further we have this, we move this 2 to the right hand side, and we get the value of x is equals to 4. So this is the value of x which we get here from this case. And now here we need to simplify this value, and here we rewrite the right hand side as 2 to the power of x over 2 equals to 2 square. So here we again get x over 2 equals to 2, and we easily get the value of x is equals to 4. So this is the from both of these two cases we get the same value of x, and that is equals to 4. So finally we have the solution set of the given question is x is equals to 4. You can easily verify this value of x, and you clearly see here the value of x is equals to 4 is satisfied our given question statement, and also you see that this is the positive integer values of x. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.